The Indian Air Force today confirmed that an An-32 transport aircraft crashed during a routine sortie near Jorhat, Assam. The crash claimed the lives of 5 Air Force personnel. The accident occurred at approximately 10 a.m. and the Air Force said that the crash site management operations and an initial inquiry into the incident are currently underway. In an official statement posted on X, the IAF said the aircraft met with an accident while carrying out a routine mission. The force appealed to the public to refrain from speculation until the preliminary findings of the investigation are available. It added that efforts at the crash site are continuing as investigators work to determine the circumstances that led to the crash. The Indian Air Force identified the 5 personnel who lost their lives as Squadron Leader Prashant Singh, Flight Lieutenant Shubham Kumar, Sergeant Jitendra Sharma, Agniveervayu Khemaram Kumawat and Agniveervayu Danish Alam. In a separate statement, the IAF said that the 5 air warriors had made the supreme sacrifice in the line of duty. Expressing its condolences, the Air Force said it deeply regrets the loss of lives and stands firmly with the bereaved families during this time of grief. It also said that further details regarding the accident would be shared as more information becomes available. Meanwhile, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh expressed deep anguish over the tragedy and paid tribute to the 5 air warriors. In a message posted on X, he said that the personnel who lost their lives had made the supreme sacrifice in the service of the nation. He added that their courage and dedication would always be remembered with pride and gratitude and extended his heartfelt condolences to their families, saying that the nation stands firmly with them in this hour of grief. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.